Hi, this is Miss Wright, and welcome to 8th grade science. I'm going to start by just showing you what the kids see when they come to their science canvas page. So they're going to see this is their home page, and you can see that it's integrated science. So what exactly does integrated science mean? So I'm going to go to the syllabus, and they can access this. You can access this on the left side of that Canvas homepage. Um, my email's here at the top, my contact information. Here's the course description, which is basically integrated science is just a combination of earth science, life science, and physical science. And the students will get a little bit of each of those different types of science. They'll get to explore different versions of this. Notice right here it says they do have an 8th grade science EOG at the end of the year. So this year is really important. The last time they had one was in 5th grade. So we are preparing and moving forward, even though we're remote right now, that everything they are being taught will be on that EOG at the end of the year. So as far as the pacing, we're starting out with Earth history. We finished that today, and tomorrow they have their first big test on Earth history. So they'll do that in class tomorrow. Next week, we move into Unit 2, so we learn all about the hydrosphere and water. Then that finishes Earth history, and we get into genetics and evolution. So the next 5 units basically are biology units with ecosystems, microbiology, molecular biology, and biotechnology. When we get into microbiology, we will be talking about bacteria, virus, disease transmission, and disease prevention. So there will be some good opportunities there to incorporate current events in that section. I did want to show some other, and then we finish the year with the chemistry and the energy, so our physical science. A couple of resources for the course. Obviously, everything's through Canvas, but these are some other apps or things that we use. We've done some Nearpods, BrainPop videos. We had an activity the past 2 days through Wiser Me. But also I wanted to show you Remind. And this is just a messaging system to get reminders about important due dates and important things coming up. So the code for that is at Sci8Write, and you would send that as your text message to the number 81010. Again, you can write that down real quick right now or come back to the syllabus. If you want to sign up as a parent, you can do that so you get the reminders as well as your student. All right, I'm going to go back into the lesson or into the homepage and show you what the kids do every day when they come here. So to join the Zooms, they just click on live lessons. It takes them straight to my Zoom. When we're done with the Zoom, they enter here to get to the actual lessons. And I show them this every single day. I go over this every day. So we're in Unit 1. They click Unit 1. Their unit title is here, their objective, and all their lessons. And they just go day to day from lesson to lesson. If they are absent one day, they just find the date they missed. So if they missed Friday, September 4th, they would know to come and click lesson 10. We did lesson 18 today. So again, their objective and the date are on this slide, on this page, and then they click the blue link to take them into the lesson. So this would be, if we were in class, this would be the agenda on the board that they would actually see. So we do our warm-up together. This one is a link they can click on and do on their own, look over, review, even after class is over or if they were absent. Then we did a Kahoot, and this one I had them do on their own. So this is one of the things for them to review tonight. It's like a game, like a challenge game. And this is set up for them to do at home to review on their own. There's also links in here for 3 Quizlets for them to practice with any of the topics that'll be on the test tomorrow. I've always got the due date on the right, but these links are always what they can do when they go on their own during asynchronous time. They click on these links to do the activities. And I'll go back one more, if it will let me. And I'll show you another lesson that we did the day before. So let's go down to lesson 17. Again, they click on the lesson. We did our warm-up together. Here's a link to a video to help explain this a little bit more in depth. We did this explain section, this Half-Life practice activity together to help them for their independent assignment, which was the Wiser Me assignment. So all they have to do is click the link. It takes them where they need to go. It tells them the due date, the directions, and how to turn it in. And that's what they do every day to access the lessons.